Well, testing out the 350 is not turning out how I planned it. We have ice and snow. Hopefully we'll find some deep snow, but for now we're just going to plod along and I'll see you when I get to somewhere decent. Okay, it's a bit better, still icy. But so far so good. So weird riding a 4-stroke. Whoa, it's icy! Whoa! Okay, I get a bit too big for my boots. It's so weird having this sound. Bike feels nice though. Oh, I don't know what's under the snow though. Oh, rock. Wow, this is cool. See, this is where like a 4-stroke is really nice. The 300 is just a bit snappy in the woods. Ralphie boy! I can actually do a donut, that's crazy. Oh, I love the snow. Whoa. It's really grippy with these tubes actually. Sound like I'm about to start a motocross race. I actually drifted a bit.
Yeah, that was cool.
I've never done that on my 300. That's good. It's a bit better now, isn't it? Oh, a little wheelie for the fans. I'm really glad I got to test this bike out, to be honest, because I do get a few comments asking me to try the 350. And yeah, it's quite a nice change. So to have one of these in the fleet is a trail riding machine. You can do a lot more road on this than the 300. The 300 sucks on the road. This feels like you can just go quite far. It's nice. I was a bit worried at first with all the snow and ice. Whoa. But it seems to be okay. Last time we came here, Ralphie's clutch broke right here. We were just about to embark on this little trail over here. So we'll see if we can get up it or whether it's storm damaged. Oh, this is comfy, you know, I like this. Ah, it's ruined.
Oh no.
We'll see what else we can get into.
We could go up there.
I don't want to go through those trees. We can see if we can get up in here.
I thought we went there with Gaz, didn't we?
No, we didn't come down here.
I thought we did.
What's that noise? Oh man, I love life. This is what you want to be doing on your weekends. Look at all the deer tracks. Just out with your bro on a new bike. Weirdly a 4-stroke. And I'm not anti 4-stroke. I've kind of wanted to try one but not buy one. You know, try before you buy. So I'm really thankful for KTM just to let me this to see what I think. Like obviously this isn't a true enduro day yet, but we'll take it on an enduro day when the snow melts. But for today we're just going to try and find some fun stuff. Look at this though. Little bit of throttle and you can always wind Ralphie up. Oh, go on, see that sound though. Oh, quarry time. Do you reckon we could get up something? Oh, can we do it on the 350? We used to go there, didn't we?
Straight here, I think it was.
Do I try it in the snow? Are you going to give it a go? You look really majestic with all the steam. Mate, that's beautiful, that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give it a go, aren't I just don't know what's underneath, whether I hit a big rock or not.
Yeah, you need to go from like where I am here, straight up. There's that first platform and then again.
Yeah. Second then. I haven't done it on a 4-stroke before. A lot of ice. Let's see where I'm gonna go here. That is steep. It probably doesn't look it on GoPro, but if I hit there straight up. There's not much grip with tubes or in the snow. I reckon I got it. I pussied out of it. Good thumbnail. Just need to go faster, is it? It's easier said than done. There's no grip. Okay, note number 1 about 4-strokes. A lot heavier. A lot heavier to get out of a situation. Oh. Oh. What a horrible feeling when it's not your bike. I'm sorry, KTM. He made me do it. That's me out of a contract. I reckon I can get a wheelie out of this bad boy. Actually hooked up right then. Damn it. Oh. That's how you clean your grips in the snow. Yeah, quarry's not. Look, I've made it the same distance again. Oh man. I'm annoyed I didn't make that. It's big, that. But I mean, I'm going to give the ice as an excuse. I'm going to give this bike a proper test. Although it's good to test it in the snow, because see what it's like without studs and tubes. Where are you going? Go across. You're not going across? Hey? Go across.
Across what?
There, the trail that goes across. Do you want me to go? Oh boy! I know how much Ralphie hates a 4-stroke, so it's quite funny that I can just rev behind it. Oh, slippery. Oh, go on, boy! Even with the tubes. Where you going? Uh-oh. Let me know, leave a comment down below if you like a 4-stroke on the channel, because I know it's a lot of 2-stroke stuff going on. But there are 3 bikes coming this month, including this one, so I've got 2 more to come. Oh, that looks steep. That looks very steep. Is it not doable?
Yeah.
I honestly just can't believe that KTM are giving me a bike to test out. Like living my dream here. And all you haters can hate all you want, but I'm not going to say no, am I? I know everyone's like, you're not even good on a bike, why would they give you a bike? But if they offer it, you would be stupid to say no. Oh, hang on, what's this? Traction control. Oh, I'm in traction control. I don't know where Alfie's gone. My fingers are freezing. I can't wait to put my moose on this bike. See what it's going to be like then. And see if the fan kicks in, because it's got a fan on this. Look at this! But so far, the bike is definitely more weighty. You can feel the weight of it, but when you're riding a bit faster, you can't feel it. But in the woods, like now, you can definitely feel a bit of the weight. It's just whether or not they overheat. It's kind of what I don't really know about them. Right now you can feel the tyres trying to grip, but may have to let some air out. That'd be a lot easier, see, 2-stroke. But there's pros and cons to both. This one does have enough power, usually. I don't really want to rev it because it's going to dig a hole. I want to take it nice and easy, but I can't. Okay, now we're a little bit stuck. I'm gonna have to let some air out the old tyres. Or some fresh grass, actually. If I go in his line, I'm going to be stuck. Oh, fans on. We tested it. Okay, this is definitely hard work for the slow stuff, but I am an amateur. So maybe don't take my word for it. Where are you? What's it like? What's it like? Tubes aren't that good. Tubes aren't that good. Should I keep coming or not? Okay, that was actually fun, that. Oh, stalling it. Whew. If I had mooses, I'd be so much more tamer on the throttle. But you just kind of got to give it some. God, I'm dead. Hard life.